If you love the smell of pine, then you need to check out Simply Earth's Black Spruce Essential Oil. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and in this video we are talking about black spruce. I'll tell you how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One of the reasons I love using black spruce essential oils is because of its calming effect. I love putting it in the diffuser, taking some deep breaths, and love the way it relaxes me. Another great way to use this essential oil is to support your respiration. Use it again in a diffuser, in a steam recipe, or as a personal inhaler to help make breathing feel easier. You can also use black spruce in your DIY skincare recipes. It supports naturally clear skin. Black spruce is also a very soothing oil. I love to use it to soothe my muscles and joints in massage oil recipes, solid lotions, and more. For recipes to use with black spruce essential oil, be sure to check out our blog we have linked in the description. Let's look at some of the history and science behind black spruce essential oil. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years, and native peoples used black spruce traditionally for its healing benefits. Its natural chemical constituents that help make up black spruce essential oil are bornyl acetate, camphene, and alpha-pinene. You can learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals in our blog post. Here's how to use black spruce essential oil safely. Whenever you're using an essential oil on the skin, be sure to first dilute it in a carrier oil. Black spruce is generally safe for those who have sensitive skin. We recommend using black spruce essential oil with kids aged 2 and up. This oil is generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs, but always talk to a vet before using essential oils around your pet. Follow for more videos just like this.